Okay, replacing a mixing motor on a Nio Coffee Machine. I put the key teeth down in the side. Get inside. We're going to replace this mixing motor. I'm going to pull these nozzles out of the way. Pull this tube. I'm going to unlock the bowl by turning counterclockwise, pulling towards me, putting that to the side. I like to use pliers. I'm going to grab the side of this plastic to get this whipper blade out. To get the motor out, you need a tiny Phillips. Don't forget to turn off the machine, or it can give you a little spark. I'm going to turn off the machine in the back. There's a switch. Now I'm going to pull this motor towards me and up. Here it is. There's a little tab here that needs to be lifted up. Holds it. That's how you remove the motor. Now we're going to do it in reverse to put it back. Going to attach the power. This motor has a tiny lip here in the plastic housing. In between this gap, the frame of the machine has to fit there. So I'm lining it up. From the bottom first, pushing down to go into that gap. It takes a little back and forth. Dang it. There it goes. If it's down on that little gap, it won't move like this. I'm going to tighten the screw back. Screw's not going in. I'm going to lift the frame a little bit so it'll line up better. Put the mixer whipper blade back. On the back side of the whipper blade is a number. That should line up with the flat portion of the mixing motor. There's a flat portion. I put it on top. I'm going to put this number on top. With that number 2 on this one, I'm going to turn it around where it's on top. Push it on where it clicks. This mixing bowl has a locking ring that can come out. It can only fit in the bowl one way. If you try to put it like this, it won't go. That it won't go. Keep trying until it fits in here. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise again. Line up the water inlet. And now lock it in place. You want this ring to be behind this green ring to be behind the motor mount here, pushing it against there so water can't leak out. Pushing back on the tube. Finally, the nozzles. That was replacing a mixing motor in a Nio bean-to-cup coffee machine.